Hey, so we're back again with Mario at SmartPlug EV, and he just let me know there's actually like a ton of different incentives in California, cities and counties to get an electric charger installed. So I feel like it's best to just ask him directly, like which cities, which counties, how much can you actually get, and like what's the process? So Mario, like which cities in California that you know of in the area that you can get money from for doing an EV charger?
So far, the ones that we're really familiar with is going to be LADWP, City of Los Angeles. That does extend into certain areas of Torrance and even other areas. It's just really broad what it covers, right? So as long as you're covered by LADWP, you can be in Sylmar, you can be in Torrance. But if you're an LADWP client, they have a $1,000 rebate that you get almost for sure. They have up to $1,500, but there's other loopholes that you have to go through to get the additional $500. But for sure, the $1,000, we had hundreds of clients that have received this rebate up to this point, and we can definitely help with that process.
Gotcha. And you can help people, walk them through the process, like the application, everything with which charger to even buy, because like there's certain ones you have to buy, right?
Yeah, so there's a list of chargers. We carry 3 of those in stock. We carry the Tesla standard charger, the Tesla Universal, and the ChargePoint chargers. There is a list. It's a longer list of other chargers that also qualify for that rebate. Those are just the number 1 and 2 rank chargers out there. So those are the ones we carry in stock to simplify things for everybody. And the biggest thing is getting all the paperwork in line, right? And that's where we come in. We're experts at this stuff, so we don't expect you to do all the research. Once we've been hired, we go ahead and issue the permits, we pull the permits, we take care of the permit process, we schedule the inspections, and we provide the detailed invoice, which is the big key, the detailed invoice with the serial number, with the date of purchase, with the amount paid for the charger and the installation. That gets submitted along with your paperwork, and that just simplifies the process.
And how long does that process take, like start to finish, would you say?
I would say around 2 months. That's
Okay.
what we keep hearing the averages. It's between 6 to 8 weeks, but around 2 months is the goal line. So let's say you submit your paperwork today, it gets approved. In about 8 weeks, you should be receiving a check from LADWP stating here's your rebate for the charger installation.
Love it. And then, so what other counties or cities in LA, Southern California, can get you like a rebate?
Of course, so there is Riverside County, the city of Riverside Public Utilities still has a $1,000 rebate. I've heard it's up to $1,500. Again, there's loopholes and all that stuff that you have to jump through to get to that, but a lot of our clients are getting the $1,000 part of it. And then we have the city of Anaheim. Anaheim Utilities also they have the full $1,500. A lot of our clients were getting the $1,500 out of that. When they cover permit cost, the permit cost gets reduced to 0 when you use the rebate. They used to do it up front where the cost was 0 up front, but a lot of people weren't going all the way through with it, so they just started refunding it at the back end.
Gotcha. And the reason why I went with SmartPlug for my install, because as you guys know, we talk about SmartPlug a lot for EV chargers, because they are actually one of the few in the area that are a Tesla authorized install, and they can get you a longer warranty as well. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, of course. The warranty, when you use a Tesla certified installer, we're not only a certified installer, we're also a partner. So we're allowed to sell these products similar to Best Buy and Amazon. The difference is because we're also an installer and we could certify the installation, put it on your app, register it to the Tesla cloud saying that serial number is attached to this home. They give you the full warranty. They know we went through the process. We've been through the schooling of exactly what it takes to get these things installed. So therefore, they give you the full 4-year manufacturer warranty.
I see. And so unfortunately, I know a lot of my viewers are like SoCal Edison. Is there anything that they can get for SoCal Edison?
There is. The one that I recommend, it is a low-income one. It went low-income as of September of last year, but it's AQMD, Air Quality Management District. Still gives you up to $500 for Edison clients that do an EV charger.
Gotcha.
Remember, the EV charger can be somebody in your home, right? If they're the ones to call me and hire me, then that's why I put the receipt name under. And they're the ones that qualify, then that's how that goes, right? So it is money to be had out there for Edison clients for EV charger specifically. Besides, of course, the $4,200 panel upgrade cost that they cover if you need a panel upgrade and you qualify within those parameters.
I love it. So I know there's a good portion of my viewers that are watching from California, like 25%. But for the people out there, like what should they look for in an electrician? Like should it be someone that's licensed and maybe even authorized from Tesla? Like would you say that's like top 2 things?
Yes, absolutely. So once you're Tesla certified, that means you've been through their program and you have the proper tools to be able to certify their installation, right? So they have a process of things that you need to do in order to certify the installation. That's why they give you the 4-year warranty, because there's a list of things that we have to check off. We have to document, to take pictures, pull permits, and so on. So if you're Tesla certified, that means that you've been through that training. No matter what state you're in, you have what it takes to get a good installation going.
Perfect. Love it. So you guys heard it here first. If you're looking for an EV install in the Southern California area, hit up Mario at SmartPlug EV. And don't forget to ask for the dentist deal as well. Thanks so much.
There you go.